In class 12 business studies, we are on chapter 6 staffing and on the topic training and development. Yesterday I gave you the meaning and detail of training and development and the importance of training for the organization I explained you. Today I am going to explain you the importance of training for the employees as well. So, first of all, see, training means the art of increasing the knowledge and skill of an employee for doing a particular job. Means that training, by the training, employee can perform better. So, increasing the knowledge and skill of an employee for doing a particular job. Then development means growth of an employee, overall development like personality development, motivation, career planning for future oriented is development. Then next I gave you the importance of training for the organization. As I told you, the trained employee will save money and resources. So there will be less wastage of time, efforts and money if the employee is trained. Then it will be beneficial for the organization as well. There will be less wastage. Then benefits to the organization next is enhanced productivity. If the employee is efficient and effective, there will be more production, more profitability. Then next, equip the future manager. If the organization is giving training to their employees, then they are preparing their workers for the future task, future. Then next is benefits to the organization is reduces absenteeism and employees turnover frequently. If the employees or we can say anyone who like the work, they will enjoy the work, then they will not remain absent. Yesterday I gave you the example. Okay, the Bill Gates example. And same for you. If you like the subject, you will not remain absent. If you don't like the subject, you will not come to the class. Same here. If the employees are not happy, not ready to do work, then the organization should give them proper training, encouragement, etc. Then benefits to the organization is effective response towards fast changing environment. See, yesterday I told you this business environment is changing very fast. Fashion, technology, customers' choice, competitors, market conditions, everything is changing very fast. Before few days, before few days, or we can say before few months, we don't require these steamer and these online classes, but now we require. So, by the training, we are capable to equip with the fast changing environment. The next is today's topic is importance of training. My dear children, I can tell you surely that you will agree with my point, with my views, that the training is important for the employees as well. Training is necessary for employees as well. Why? Because if the employee is trained, better career prospects through improvement in skills and knowledge. Yes, I am giving you assurance that trained performance will be better than untrained performance. Trained employees will have more career prospects than untrained. If you are, yesterday I told you, you are getting training. how to perform in those, your performance will be better. Okay? Your performance will be better because of this training. Same for employees. If employees are trained, no need to worry. The trained employee will have better, trained person will have better career prospects, improvement in skills and knowledge. Yesterday I gave you the example of electrician. Now, same here. If the employee is trained, he will have more career opportunities. Then next, higher earnings for better performance. Yes, employee will have more earning opportunities, higher earning opportunities because he has better performance. Okay, children, please discuss. Yes. I am sure you will agree with my point of view. If you want to appoint employee, you will give higher salary to the trained person. Okay? So higher earnings through better performance. The next is less accidents due to higher efficiency. Less chances of accidents or mishappenings or failure of machinery or damages, less chances of these damages due to higher efficiency. See, if we can give the opportunity of online teaching to untrained person, maybe he will destroy this computer or the system. Trained will have more knowledge, less chances of accidents due to higher efficiency. Then benefits to the employees is increased employees' morale and job satisfaction. Employees will be happy and satisfied with their job opportunities, with their work, because trained will take interest and untrained will not take interest. Untrained will not be happy that at that working place. So employee will be happy. There will be job satisfaction. They will be encouraged. They will be motivated by the training. So here we can discuss these points again. Importance of training for the employees, benefits to the employees. They will have better career opportunities. They will have improvement in skills and knowledge. They will have more options. Then next, higher earnings through better performance. Yes, trained employees will get more salary than untrained. Experienced, qualified employees will get more salary than untrained, fresher, inexperienced person. So, benefits of employee is higher earning and better performance, then less chances of accidents, less chances of mishappenings. They will take the machinery, tools carefully. They know about them, how to operate them, so there will be less chances of mishappenings. The next is increased employees' morale and job satisfaction. Trained employee will have job satisfaction. They will like their work. Now, because students told me, ma'am, we have to write. That's why today I made one summary also. Importance of training and development, that is for the organization as well as for the employees. Both will get benefits. from the training and development. Organization will get the benefits of training is reduced wastage. See, there will be less wastage of time, efforts and money if the employees got training. If the employees are trained, they will not waste your resources. Organization will be happy. Then enhance productivity. Enhanced productivity means if there is less wastage of time, efforts and money, naturally productivity will be more. If productivity will be more, there will be more profits. Then equips the future managers. See, by the training, organization is preparing the employees for future. Yes, you should note down. Then reduce absenteeisms and employees turnover. If employees are getting training and chances of development, future growth, then they will not remain absent, they will come regularly and employees turnover will be less. No one is ready to leave the organization. See, in India, Wipro and Infosys, both the companies are giving training and development, more opportunities to their employees. No one is ready to leave that organization because they are happy there. If they are unable to do any task, any work, that organization will give them training. If they got training and more chances of growth, future development, then they will not leave. They are not ready to leave that organization. Even if they are getting higher salaries in other organizations, then also employee will not leave that organization because of more training and development opportunities. Then effective response towards safety. See, this is the benefit for the organization. Yes. The environment is changing very fast. See, now the very big companies, big organizations also sending their employees to work from home. This is a new concept. No need to come to office, just sit at home and do your work. Then how the employee will respond if they got the training how to do the work from home, they will be happy and they will equip according to fast changing environment. Now benefits to the employees as well. I'm sure. You see, if the employees got training, better growth opportunities, they will have. They will have better career prospects through improvement in skills and knowledge because now they are capable to earn. Trained person will get higher salary than untrained. So higher earnings, better performance. See, trained person will work effectively and efficiently, so there will be higher earning opportunities, career growth is more. Now he can apply for more salary because he is trained, then less accidents, less chances of mishappenings. Now he is capable, he is effectively and efficiently manages the tools, equipments, machines, working conditions. So there will be less chances of mishandling. Now they will earn, they will work with the higher efficiency, there will be less wastage, then increased employees' morale and job satisfaction. See, the employee who is trained will feel motivated, encouraged, morale will be high, and job satisfaction. See, you can take the example of a teacher. If the teacher is unable to know how to work on computer. If the organization or if he or she gets the training, now there will be job satisfaction. Because he or she knows how to operate the machinery, they got the training opportunities. So employees' morale will be high. Okay. Trained employees will feel better than untrained employees. Then next is training versus development. Training is an organized activity of increasing knowledge and skills. Development is a process of learning and growth. Training helps the employees to do the work better. Development helps in the overall growth of an employee, like career planning, motivation, encouragement, etc. Then training has limited scope. Limited scope means training means giving the knowledge about the task only. Okay, but development is a wider term, as I told you. It includes education, training, etc. Training is job oriented. Like they taught us how to teach through Zoom classes, how to make videos for YouTube. So this is training because this is our job related. Job related means they just gave us the details about our work only. But development means career oriented process for future learning how to make softwares this way. Okay. So it is job oriented. Now, as you required that, ma'am, please make summary. That's why this is the summary. Training is an organized activity to increase the knowledge. Development is a process of learning and growth. Training helps the employees do the job better. Development helps in overall growth. The scope of training is limited. The scope of development is wider than training. Development means overall growth, personality development, motivation, better working conditions, future knowledge. It is job oriented. Do your work, present work properly, and development is a career oriented for future tasks, giving extra knowledge. Yes, my dear children, our today's topic is this. Importance of training for the employees, better career prospects, employee will get better opportunities, employee will get higher earnings because trained will get more salary. There will be less chances of accidents or mishappenings because they know their work through proper training. Then that is helpful for increase the employees' morale and job satisfaction. These are the importance I explained you. Trained employee will not waste your resources. There will be more production, more profitability. There will be less or absenteeism and employees turnover. And that is beneficial for the employees also. That is helpful in increase their knowledge. That is helpful in higher earnings. There will be less accidents. The employees will be happy. Then next is there is the difference between training and development. Training is an organized activity of knowledge and skill, increasing knowledge and skill. Development is a process of learning and growth. Training helps the employee to do the job better. Development is helpful for overall growth. Training has limited scope, development has wider scope. Training is job oriented, while development is career oriented. Job oriented means training means giving the work presently you are doing, and development means the future growth you can give to your employees. I'm sure you all must understood the difference between training and development and importance of training and development to the organization as well as for the employee.